morning children. In the last class we learned about the after numbers. We learned after numbers. Okay. In this class I want to explain before numbers and between numbers. Come to these numbers. Already we learned the after numbers. Yes. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, like that it will come. Now we are going to learn about the before numbers. Before means mundu. In Telugu we call it as mundu వచ్చే numbers. 6 before, what kind? 6 before. What is the number before 6? Yes. 5 is before 6. 4 is before 5. 4 before 3. 3 before 2. 2 before 1. 1 before 0. These are the before numbers. See here also. 2 before 1. 1 before 0. This girl is showing the number. See children. Okay. This is also she is also. This girl is also studying second standard only. Okay. 6 before 5. If you want to after number 5 after 6. 5 after. If you take 5. 5 after 6. 5 before 4. This is before number and this is after number. If you take 5, what is the before number for 5? 4 is the before number. What is the after number for 5? 6 is the after number. 6 is the after number. Okay, now we are going to write the before numbers. Already we learned, now only in the after numbers we learn what comes before 10. What comes before 10? As 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. It is the first 2-digit number. So, what comes before 10? As last and greatest single-digit number, that is 9. Okay, this is the last and greatest single-digit number. 9 is the last and greatest single-digit number. 10 before what comes? Yes, 10 before 9. Okay, next. 20 before. What comes before 20? What comes before 20? 20 before. Sorry, I have to put the blank here. 20 before S. 19. Okay, we have to decrease one number. When before writing, if you want to write the before number, you have to decrease one number. One number we have to less. 20. If you remove 1 from 20, it becomes 19. 20 before 19. Come on, tell me what number comes before 100? What comes before 100? Before number what comes? S. 100 is a smallest 3-digit number. 100 is a smallest 3-digit number. So 100 before what comes? It is the first and the smallest 3-digit number. So before 100, last and greatest 2-digit number will come. Before 100, 99. Before 100, 99 will come. 100 before 99. Are you understand? Okay. Come on, tell me. Before 300. Before 300. What comes before 300? 300s are there. 300 means, what is the meaning of 300? Yes, there are 300s. Okay. If you want to know the before number for 300, what the before number you have to take out 1 from 300. Okay, 1 we have to take out. Then what comes? If you take 1 from 100, it becomes 99. There are how many hundreds are there in 300? 300s are there. We won't go to 200. There is no work with the 200. We will remove 1 from 100. So it becomes 99. What is the before number of 300? 299. Right? 299 comes before 300. 300 means there are 300. If you want to write the before number, you have to less one number from 300. becomes 299. In 100 we are taking out one. Then it becomes 99. 200 remain 200 only. That's why 300 before 299. What is the number before 300? 299. Here also once you see this chart, 6 before 5. These are the 6 fingers. Before number, what is the before number for 6? 5. Ante we are doing? We are decreasing one number. Then we are getting the before number 5. 5 before, yes, 4. So close one finger. 5 before 4. Yes, 4 before. Close one more finger. 3. 3 before 2. So we have to less one number 2. 2 before 1. We have to less one more number 1. 1 before 0. No numbers. So if you want to get the before number, we have to decrease one number from the given number. Okay. For the 100 place, it is easy to write. When you go to the 1000 place, it becomes little bit difficult for you. Suppose if you take 1000, this is 1000. What is the before number for 1000? Already we learn the numbers. Okay. Which number after 1000 will come? Okay. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. So before 1000, what comes? Greatest 3-digit number will come. Okay, what is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. 999. But do you know 1000 means there are 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds are there in 1000. 10 hundreds make 1000. In 999, see, 9 hundreds are there. We less one number because it becomes 99. 1000 before 999. What is the before number for 1000? 999. Okay, children. Next. If you take these numbers, it is little bit difficult for you. What is this number? Once read out this number and writing the place values also, because this is a 4-digit number. 1110. What is this number? Once try to read this number. This is 1110. We know that together we have to read ones place and tens place. What is this number? 1110 is this number. We have to write the before number for 1110. Okay, children. Then come to this. Come to the before number. 10 before. First take 10 before. What comes? 10 before. What is the before number for 10? Yes, 9 is the before number for 10. 9 comes before 10. Here what is the full number? 1110. Before number 1109 will come. There is no change in the 1000 place or in the 100 place. First write down the place values. Then you can write easily. First no need to change the 1000 place. As usual we will write the 1000 place. 100 place also we can write. Next now go to the ones place and tens place. Together we are reading ones and tens place, that is 10. But before 10, 9 will come. 9 is a single digit number that goes to the ones place. What about this tens place? There is no tens place. If tens place is not given, simply we will put 0. We will put 0 under the tens place. So once read this number, this is 1109. What is this number? 1109. What comes before 1110? 1109 will come before 1110. Are you clear, children? See. Okay. Already for 300 we wrote. For 300 we wrote. Just here we are adding only 1000 place. Once you observe here we are adding only 1000 place. Okay. What we wrote before 300? You know. Before 300? Yes. 299. There is no change in the 1000 place. Simply you can write 1 under the 1000 place. 1299. What comes before 1300? 1299. Once you observe here, we changed the 100 place also. In this number, there is 1000 plus 300s are there. When we are writing the before number, what we are doing? We are decreasing or we are taking out one number from the given number. Here 300 is given. We have to decrease one number from 300. Less one from 300. Already we find in the last problem. 299 came. So 300s becomes 200s become 200. 200s remain 200 only. And we are taking one from the third 100. The third 100 is becoming 99. So 300 before number is 299. 1300 before 1299. When last zeros or nines came, that time only it is a problem for you. Otherwise simply you can write the before number or after number. If I given like this 1226, as simply you can write this is 1125. If I given like this 1473, yes you can say 1472. When zeros comes, that time only it is little bit difficult to write the before number or after number also. Okay children? Now come to the between. Now come to the topic between. Come to the topic between. See this chart, you can find what is the between number. Take two numbers, leaving one number in the middle. Okay. Here 3 and 1. 3, 1 I taken. What is 2? What is about 2? This is the between number. 2 is between Madhyana. 2 is between 1 and 3. See this chart. 2 is between 1 and 3. What is the between number for 1 and 3? 2 is the between number. If you take 0, 2, what comes between 0 and 2? 1. If you take 2 and 4, what is the between number? Yes, 3 is the between number. If you take 3 and 5, what is the between number? 4 is the between number. If you take 4 and 6, what is the between number? Yes, 5 is the between number. This is between. Okay, 5 is the between number. Here 2 is the between number. If you take these two, 3 is the between number. If you take 5 and 3, 4 is the between number. If you take 6 and 4, 5 is the between number. We will write here. 9 and 11. Write the between number. For 9 and 11, what comes between 9 and 11? It is easy to write between numbers because if you write the after number or first number, it becomes the between number. 9 after is 10. So what is the between number for 9 and 11? 10 is the between number. If you take 69 and 71. 60, we have to write the between number for 69 and 71. What comes between 69 and 71? Yes, come on, tell me. 69 after what comes? 69 means what? 6 tens and 9 ones. 69 means 6 tens and 9 ones. If you add one more 10 to 9 ones, it becomes 7 tens. Nothing but 70. 69 after 70. 70 after 71. Okay, what is the between numbers? For 69 and 71? 70 is the between number. Come on, children, tell me who will tell the answer. What is the between number for 99 and 101? Come on, try to tell this answer. What comes between 99 and 101? 99 after. What comes after 99? Yes, 99 is the largest two-digit number. If you add one more 1 to 99, it becomes yes, 100. It becomes 100. What comes after 99? Yes, 99 after 100 will come. 99 after 100 will come. 99 after 100, 100 after 101. Okay. Now come to here. Come on, tell me. Tell me what is the between number here? 999 and 1001. What is the between number? What comes after 999? Yes, 1000 will come. What comes after 999? 1000 will come. Okay. 999 after 1000. What is the between number for 999 and 1001? 1000 is the between number. Between numbers are the middle numbers which comes between two numbers are the between numbers. Are you understand, children? Are you clear, children, about before, after, between numbers? Okay. Before number means before number, mundu. Before what comes? 2 before, 1, 1 before, 0, 4 before, 3, 6 before, 5. Okay. 10 before, 9, 20 before, 19. Okay. 82 before, come on, tell me. 82 before what comes? 81. Okay. 1130 before, yes. 1129. These are the before numbers. Or after numbers are easy for you. The number which comes after 9 after 10, 21 after 22, 120 after 121, 1001 after. Come on, tell me what comes after 1001? Yes, 1002. What comes after 1019? 1119. Yes, 1120 comes after 1119. Between numbers are also easy. Already we learned. An example I am writing. Come on, tell me. What comes between 987 and 989? And that is 988. That is 988. Between 987 and 989, what comes? 988 comes between 987 and 989. Are you clear, children, about before, after and between? Okay. Already how many tables you learn? You learn 5 tables. Today I am going to give you 6th table. Okay. What is this? 6th table. Compulsory you have to learn the tables. Okay. Without tables we cannot do the multiplications or divisions. Come on, tell me the 6th table if you know. Come on, 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are how much? 12. 6 threes are yes, 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. 6 8 are 48. 6 9 are 54. 6 10 are 60. 6 11 are 66. 6 12 are 72. My children, one more time. Tell the 6 table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 6 11s are 66. 6 12s are 72. Come on, tell me one more time. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 6 11s are 66. And 6 12s are 72. Okay, children, come on, compulsory. You have to learn the tables. Are you understand before, after, and between numbers? Are you clear? Are you clear about these numbers? Okay, children. Okay, come on, one more time. See these numbers and try to write some more numbers in the house also. Okay, thank you.